Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about position playing by using a chromatic scale. Today we are going to use a G chromatic scale. First of all, how to hold the guitar. It is the acoustic guitar. It has a wider neck, so we need to hold our thumb finger at behind the fretboard, and these four fingers should play a major role in the fretboard. In the fretboard, try to keep your fingers in parallel, not to the left side or not to the right side. You should always keep in the parallel position. And we are going to see the position playing. What is position playing? If I'm playing in the first fret, this is called first position. This is my first finger because the thumb finger is behind the fretboard and the index finger is the first finger now. So index finger, if it's in first fret, it belongs to first position, or else the index finger in the second fret, then it belongs to the second position. The index finger is ready to play any notes while the stretching. You need to extend your fingers in 4 frets. In the second fret, it will move to the first like this. It need to move and come back like a swipe. Next, we are moving to the chromatic scale. What is chromatic scale? To play every note that is available to me between a certain distance up to the same notes. You can see it is in the certain distance, these 4 frets. If I were to play every single one of those notes, that scale is called chromatic scale. We can play in the ascending order or in the descending order. First of all, you need to handle the guitar in your comfortable position. In what way you are comfortable while stretching or while playing on the fretboard, you should choose your comfortable position. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you may feel a pain in your wrist area. So you should always prefer a comfortable position while playing. By using metronome beat, you can practice daily and increase the metronome speed daily so that you can increase your speed. While we are playing in ascending order, it is 2 octaves higher than the starting original G where we started. If you are playing in descending order, it is 2 octaves lower than the G where we started the first position. G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, open D, A sharp, E, F sharp, open G sharp, A sharp, B, and we straightly moving to C, C sharp, D, D sharp, open E, F sharp, G. This is the G chromatic scale. Now we are moving to the descending order. G, G flat, F, E, practice by using the alternate picking method. Here I am going to play without any open strings. That's what we call movable fingering. G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G,